Oh God, Jesus have mercy. Kimmy send me 2 bun. Why? All Easter next year, me still have bun. Wait. Me bun. Let me show you me bun. 2 bun. Kimmy send me now. Spice bun. I can't look in the camera.
No, we can't look.
What's that? Sun turn up.
We have to put on the...
Jeez. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm trying to breathe the sun. I'm trying to breathe the sun for y'all. You guys, baby's chilling in the sun, living the good life. Look at him. Just doing
I'm
nothing.
living the good life?
You're living the good life.
Okay, I'm living the good life, she said.
You don't think you're living the good life?
I don't think I'm living the good life.
You are living... That is the good life.
Okay.
Sitting in the sun, just taking it all in. I don't want to sit in no sun. Black people not tan. That's not true. But I personally don't tan. I don't see the need to tan.
I don't want to tan. I just want to take the sun.
I love just taking it in for a
just
few
like
minutes.
The feeling of the sun in my face.
Yeah, that's me too. I like taking it for a few minutes and then go right back inside.
Yeah.
It just feels good, especially when you have the little chill wind blowing when you're sitting in the sun.
Especially in winter. It's not winter now, but in winter when you have the sun going through the glasses for the
through
windows.
the door.
Yes, and you're on the other side, so you warm plus you have the
Somebody
sun
barbecuing,
on your
babe.
face.
You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
It's not barbecue. It's
Yeah.
barbecue season, y'all, and I can't wait to unlock mine. It's gonna be hard to unlock it with Sarah because when Sarah is out here, Sarah like to just run around. This is Sarah haven. She just love let loose. With the barbecue, she's gonna have to sit in her chair and watch her tablet. She won't be able to run around when we're barbecuing. But she'll grow up in next 3 years. She'll be able to do that, though.
Last year was the same, so
Yes. Anyway, you guys, how are y'all doing? We are good. How are you doing, baby?
I'm okay. I'm so. Sometimes I feel okay. Sometimes I'm hardly. And I'm okay. I'm chilling. I'm taking it easy. So I'm not too bad.
Yeah, babe took the week off from work. When I say the week off, he's not going in the office, and when he's home, he's taking his time, just cruise control and phone call, and not doing too much. And he's not doing nothing at home because I won't allow it. Nothing. You can't see the disappointment on his face when he go in the kitchen to wash something in the sink, and I say, leave it. Please to leave it. Please to just get out of that kitchen. He just used to doing. So him sitting down, he'll make him go crazy. Anyway,
I'll be fine.
he'll be fine. We are about to go pick Tyler up from school, and we're gonna stop at the pharmacy to get me something for this allergy. You guys can't hear it now, but I have moments where I just sneeze like crazy and just my nose just scratch uncontrollably. So I'm going to just stop at the pharmacy to
Fix that.
get something for it. Yeah, but like everybody says, especially my mom definitely says it's because of the pollen. That's what they call it, the pollen in the ear.
Pollen.
Pollen?
In French is pollen.
Yeah, it's the same thing in English because of the spring. She said she have the same problem. So yeah, anyway, you guys, my clock is alarming, so I gotta leave you. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and I need to go pick up my girl right now, feed her, and go get Tyler. So let's go see The princess. You guys, that's how I do, you know. I have to set my alarm for everything that I do. So now it's 4 o'clock. I know it's time for me to pick up Sarah. And by the time I finish feed Sarah, it's time to head out. We ain't got time to play around here. Bottle in hand. Then she's gonna have this spirit fruit. And then we'll be all set to go. Look at her. Look at my girl. Hi. Hi, princess. Ready to go get tie-tie? Ready? Ready? Come on, let's go. Up. Up. Come on. Up. Up. Hi, Mama. Hi. 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 Look at that cute little face. Oh, you're too cute. We are at the pharmacy, y'all.
Madame a se plaint comme ça des allergies au niveau du nez. Honey, you only have the nose, not the throat.
Just the nose.
Tout le nez, qui le gratte.
And sneeze. No, just the nose.
Elle éternue, oui.
Oui, c'est ça. I saw that on the TV
Something you
advertising.
just under your nose. Okay.
Je sais pas pourquoi, oui.
Non, parce qu'au bout de...
On va faire une facture. On a les deux même.
Comme ça?
Non, en fait, une avec celle-ci et les deux Dolaveaus. Et l'enfant, je vais le séparer comme ça. Je vais avoir la mutuelle pour l'enfant.
Je vais prendre juste le nom par contre. Je vais l'inscrire à ce nom-là. Je peux inscrire à ce nom-là.
Hey, you.
Quel nom je mets?
Hey, you.
C'est de la voix, c'est écrit.
D'accord.
C'est quel nom qui est écrit? De la voix, tu n'en veux pas? Pourquoi
Yay! You did good. You did good. You did good. I said. Look at my nose, how red it is. I finally got something for my allergy. So I'm going to use it right now and hopefully it helps. Look at my nose. That's how much it's scratching me. Yeah, so we're back home. Everybody's home. Say hello to the faves.
What one? I got A minus.
That's okay, you did good.
Okay.
Because Papa said,
Continue speaking, Tyler.
and it's because I was doing this thing like this. The point need to be to the smallest.
You were doing greater than and less than. You remember when I teach you that?
Yes, but it wasn't. It was the same way, except it was not the same technique. It's because the side where there's the mouth, this side is on the biggest.
Yeah, but that's what I teach you.
But
The open part is.
Teaching me is the point to the smallest.
Yeah, but if the open part is at the biggest number, the point is automatically at the smallest number.
Yes.
Right.
So it's also if on the both of sides there's the same amount of number.
Uh-huh.
For example, if I write 41 and after I write plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, and I put 1 plus 1. Both of them are 41.
Okay.
I do equal.
So how would you do it? Just put an equal?
Yes, because
Okay.
both of them is the same number.
All right.
Mama!
Yes.
Stop. I'm missing.
You guys may or may not know, if you're new to our channel, then you would know that Tyler is obsessed with math. Tyler love math. So he's in a math phase right now. I am using my air fryer. I am frying chicken. Oh.
What I'm going to eat with the chicken?
What you gonna eat with the chicken?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat macaroni and cheese or mashed potato. You choose. The macaroni and cheese, and I have mashed potato. Yes.
Oh, it's going to be a little bit hard. I love both of them.
All right. When dinner is ready, you tell me which one you want.
I'm trying to. I can have macaroni. No, not macaroni and cheese.
The mashed potato.
It's hard.
You're too funny. Guys, quick fix. Dinner for the husband, dinner for the wife. Change time, and right now it's 7 p.m. You see that? Bright and beautiful outside. The beauty of time change. It is now 7 p.m. and the sun is still out and stunting. Yes. Love it this time of year when the time changes and you get some more daylight. The kids can be out playing still and it's not dark. Yes, Ty.
You sing, but when you say something, I do it.
Huh?
You sing and say, "What's the job, family? What's the job, family? What's the job, family? What's the job, family?" Oh, still run, yeah.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. I'm going to the supermarket.
When you was going to the supermarket, when you are going to me, is where you pay.
I don't have no money. I'm broke.
I'm going to give you some money. Here, all my money. Here, all my money.
Kind, thank you.
I'm going to the supermarket. What I'm going to take, I could take a ball. I could take this. Take this. Sarah.
Hi, take time. Tyler.
Sarah.
Tyler, stop the noise now, please.
Mama, how many makes this a ball? How many makes this a ball?
I don't know.
How many makes this pass? Sarah, look. Sarah, look. Oh no, this is only there. Oh, this is only there. Oh no, this is only there. Oh no.
Daily concoction is done, so I'm making some more turmeric, ginger, garlic, black pepper. That's what you're seeing right here. What else is in here? Coconut oil. Then I'm gonna add lemons when it finish. I'm gonna let this boil for about 15 minutes, and then I turn it off and leave it right here on the stove until tomorrow morning. I love to share packages with you, especially when I get a package from a Jamaican. So you guys will be familiar with the name Kimmy if you guys been following us for a while. But if you're new to the channel and you don't know who Kimmy is, Kimberly is one of my Jamaican girls in
Angel girl.
Angel girl, as Babe say, in Belgium, and Kimmy just pop up and send me Jamaican goodies every now and then.
Excuse me, Mama.
Hold on. The last package Kimmy sent me had bun and cheese in it, and Kimmy messaged me a few days ago and said, Mel, I got bun and cheese for you, my girl, Easter turn up. So I said to Kimmy, I told you that I saved my bun that you sent me, I think, during Christmas. So I've been saving it for Easter because I didn't know where I would be getting a bun from, or if I wanted to hunt bun. So Kimmy got bun for me and she sent the bun, but one bun can't hold in this package, girl. So I don't know what's inside the package. So let's discover it with me.
Mama.
Yes,
Papa
Ty.
give me and I give you.
Bien sûr.
And
Yes.
when Papa give me, I tell you what it is.
Yeah, but I can see what it is.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, Tyler. So
And
of course
I know
you guys.
are going to shout when you're excited.
Yes, she's Jamaican. Remember one thing,
So
Tyler,
they
when
like
you
to
go,
open
when
the
you go
package,
theater, Jamaican comment the movie. That's how excited they are.
Happy nice, man. So we are about to see and discover that he don't like when I see what's in the package. So let's see what Kimmy sent me. Beta pack curry, beta pack. No, this is not beta pack. This says golden tropical. But this golden tropical look just like the beta pack. Aww. Kimmy said, hey, Kimmy an angel, you know. Kimmy literally I want angel. You know why me always say Kimmy is an angel? Because Kimmy always send me things when me out of that thing. Don't me out of cock soup? Just out of cock soup. And look at God. God just always come. Hey, water crackers! You know how long me don't eat water crackers? Thanksgiving for my crackers. Oh God, Jesus have mercy. Kimmy sent me 2 bun. At Easter next year, me still have bun. Wait, let me bun. Let me show no me bun. 2 bun, Kimmy sent me now. Spice bun. Jamaica, they have Easter. They can't talk to me right here now.
Processed cheese.
And cheese to go with the bun.
Processed.
And cheese to go with the bun, girl. Sorry, more cock soup.
More cock soup.
And more pumpkin soup.
And
tropical sun.
And
tropical sun. You guys know that I love tropical sun. And more tropical sun chicken noodle. And more cock soup, tropical sun. And more pumpkin soup. So I'm just gonna pass something to me one so.
Alright, finish.
Chicken noodle soup.
Let's
All
go
right,
to
Kimmy.
snack time.
Bless you, Kimmy. I'm going to let Sarah try these Jamaican snacks for the first time. Oh, cheese crunches from Excelsior. If you're Jamaican or Trinidadian, you know what's up.
This golden tropical.
Is curry.
Oh,
Curry.
baking powder.
Baking powder. Alright, Kimmy. I see you, girl. Thank you. Tropical. I didn't know tropical son of baking powder. Alright, tropical son come true. Duns River lamb seasoning. Alright, goodie. Tongs. Condensed milk, girl. Thanks, Kimmy, for my milk.
Mama, what is this?
Well, we're gonna open it and discover.
I think it's supplement.
Wait, let me see what I want. Why me have a feeling that this feel like rubbing alcohol? Wait, Tyler?
Supplement.
No, it's alcohol. Alright, you know I'm excited about alcohol?
No.
Because right now my nose, my allergy act up. And if you're a Jamaican and you don't have that alcohol in your house, oh my gosh, Kimmy. And it's sealed and it real ton up, you know? Oh my gosh, Kimmy, thank you.
And we have olive.
Olive oil. She had sent me olive oil the last time.
And
Thank
the last
you,
thing's
Kimmy.
coming.
And me girl send me more blue for me clothes. Me white clothes be white. Kimmy, that easy, you know? Carbolic. Blue soap. And she had stopped me up with blue soap the last time. And if you guys know anything about blue, I need to use me blue them, you know. I need to use me blue.
So when is born? Is Easter season?
Yes.
Okay.
We have bun all year round, but Easter
Yeah, I know
is
you-
bun.
Bun and cheese. That's
Oh yes, bun and cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, girl. Oh my gosh, thank you, Kimmy. So me Easter nice.
your bun come.
Me bun there, me not give me man none. Me bun there, me not give me man none.
Well,
Thank you, Kimmy.
you have two man.
Thank
so
you.
I don't know who you are talking to.
That gave me thanks. Merci.
Merci means thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, you guys, that's all the goodies that Kimmy sent me. Let me show you up close and personal.
Personal.
Can you 2 crackers with some Milo tea? Baking powder. Thanks, Kimmy. Me get water crackers and tin milk and baking powder. 2 bun. 2 and a small bun me I tell you about, you know. A 2 big bun Kimmy send me, you know. Hey. Kimmy, your blessing. Thank you, my girl. Yeah, the reach Jamaica there. I can't talk to me for Easter. That me I tell you no. Thanks, Kimberly.